Joshua Salabuste. I am the first reporter of Group 5. My topic is International Business Trade. Introduction. Philippine International Trading Corporation or PITC is a government-owned full services trading company with more than 40 years of experience in international trade. It is specialized in the import and export of commodities, industrial product, and consumers goods, serving as a part for Filipino businesses and agencies to access global market. PITC also function as a state trading of corporation, providing guidance for foreign companies seeking to establish operation in the Philippines. Historical background of PITC. PITC was founded on July 21, 1973 through Presidential Decree number 252, originally tasked to handle trade with socialist and centrally planned economic countries, or the COCPEC in 1977. Its mandates was expanded under the PD number 1071, allowing it to become one of the drivers of the Philippine trade on a global scale. Since then, PITC has actively facilitated trade-related services and developed responsive to business situation. International business and trade play a vital role in connecting nation, business, individuals across the globe. According to the Cambridge English Dictionary, international means involving more than one country. And also Merriam-Webster defined it as relating to affecting two or more nation. In sense, international business covers activities such as the exchange, selling, and buying of goods and services across borders, making it a key drivers of globalization and economic growth. International. When we say international is tanan or katibukan, it involves more than one country or relates to affecting two or more nation of international include foreign, global, universal, intercontinental, and the world, or when we say international is katibukan sa tanan na, no. Second, business. Generally, when we say business is kanang negosyo or kibali mga ano na to, negosyo ka, business na to. It's generally defined as occupation, profession, or trade for our purposes. We will use business to mean the active engage in by people, organization, or countries covering any activity, earn income, and gain a profit. Yes. When we say business, gina negosyo like mo gain ta og profit, income na to. Third, occupation. When we say occupation, this is your kanang katungdanan or kanang imong bitang obligasyon is a person usual or principal work or business imong mga trabaho. Yes, as a means of earnings, living, which could be means of employment or by going into business or owning a company. Big madako man or magamay. Mo na ang occupation. Profession. When you say profession, imong example ka ng teachers, engineers, doctors, like that. It refers to paid occupation, especially one that involve specialized educational training. Yes, and a formal qualification and license. Professionals can form partnership for the exercise of their profession. Anang mga profession na nahuman nimo sa as your educational training profession. Next, trade. What is trade? When we say trade, is a exchange product or goods and services. So, trade is a basic economic concept involving buying, selling, or exchange of goods and services. Therefore, the sari-sari store or grocery owner is engaged into trading or doing trading. There are four types of business according to nature concept. A. Service. Those rendering service like barbershop, spas, restaurant, hotel, school, and other recreational services. B. Trading or merchandising. When we say trading or merchandising, buying or selling, or kung unsa to ilang gi palit, I mean unsa to ilang gisell, most of ilang buy, buying or selling. They will sell what they buy. And C. Manufacturing, converting raw materials into finished product. When we say manufacturing, kanang tagagawa. Example kanang sa mga abaka. Ang abaka gikan sa fiber, gikan sa sa puno or sa abaka. And ang kanang ilang panit is pag mapunta na sa kuan, factory is may finished product na is ang cloths, right? Mo na siya ang ingon nga converting raw materials into finished product. D. Hybrid business. Hybrid business is beneficial goals, e-commerce or a business geared toward social. There are also four types of business according to ownership. First is sole partnership. Sole proprietorship. Or when we say sole proprietorship is owned by he's own in a business or siya lang ang tag-iya sa usa ka business. B. Partnership. When we say partnership owned by two person. C. Corporation. When we say corporation is generally owned by 5 or more persons, although Revised Corporation Code Republic Act number 1123-2 now allow the establishment of one person corporation or OPC. Cooperative. When we say cooperative is composed of members, establishment is established to serve as their common good. So when we say cooperative, daghan siya, daghay mga shareholders. Trade. Trade means buying, selling, or exchanging goods and services. For our purposes, whether the business is service, trading, or manufacturing, we will include in the meaning of trade business. International business and trade means any activity endeavor among the nation around globe involving buying, selling, exchanging of goods and services, capital, labor, resources, technology, people, intellectual property, patents, copyright, brand, trademarks, and data, and contractual assets or liability. The right to use some foreign asset, execute a complex financial instrument, or provide some future service to foreign customer. When we say when we say international business and trade, this is trade na sa gawas pwede tayo maka-trade og bisag asa. um, Asa kita nasa Pilipinas pwede ta makig-trade sa laing bansa nga makakuha pud tag mga product nga wala diri sa tuwa, and kato sila nakuha sa sila product nga wala sa ila nga naa sa tuwa. Import or export pwede na mag-exchange sa any product na naa sa usa ka bansa. So, triple bottom line or TBL. In economics, believes that the company should commit to focusing as much on social and environmental concern as they do profit, as maka-earn sila og profit or income. TBL theory possessed that instead of one bottom line, there should be three: profit or economy, people or society, and the planet or the environment. Muna ang triple bottom line. Nagkuan sila sa income ug sa ekonomiya, and sa tao ug sa atong sa society, and then sa planet ug sa atong environment. Corporate responsibility. Corporate responsibility means that business has an obligation to society, the environment beyond prescribed by law above beyond making profit. So, ang corporate social responsibility, this is a responsibility by the may mga business. Sunod, dili lang sila ingon nga mo kan lang profit, but napo sila ginasunod nga mga responsibility. Example na is ng mga sa mga tao, fair treatment o bayad sa mga trabante. Mas dili sab sila yung nga mga inabusar, di ba? And sundo nila kung unsay sa batas nga about sa business. Next one is foreign direct investment. Means that a firm is investing asset directly into a foreign country buildings, equipment, or organization. Companies may establish offices in these foreign countries, acting branches or representable office, or even as subsidiaries subsidiaries the parent firm in their home country, having all value creation support activities but on our country host country. Mani siya ang mga foreign invest ka dito largo sa mga foreign investment. Direct ra imong dito ipag-invest. And then thank you, marat ako